Hey, hello guys, it's How to Text Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add text to speech in your Discord server, so that when you're in a voice channel and you type into the voice channel, it will be automatically converted into speech via the bot. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing to open is your Discord application. Now from there you sign into your existing account and you hop onto the server where you want to use the text to speech function. Now from there, this is my test 1 server. You can go straight to the app directory or add your first application right here and press check it out. Now from here we go to the search bar and type in TTS bot. Now this will come up with the text to speech bot. As you can see right here, it's a very simple setup and it allows you to use the text to speech straight into the voice channel. Now simply press add application, select the server where you want to add the bot, simply press continue, check all the boxes and press authorize. Now from there, confirm you're a human and the application, the bot, has been added to text to speech. Now as you can see, I can use it and that should be it. If you still get questions regarding this bot, leave it in the comments down below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.